All right, on this one here, the tenant downstairs had water leaking in their master bedroom closet, which is on the other side of this wall downstairs. Checked the drain. The drain's good. Made sure underneath the air handler everything was good. No pipes are disconnected or leaking. And I found this. You can see the water dripping right there. That's from our PNT. So we're going to be replacing that. So the first thing you want to do before you start replacing it, shut the power off to your water heater, which I have that off. Here's our valve cup with the water coming in. So we'll close this off. Next we'll open up a faucet and we'll run the water there, and then we'll relieve the water out of the tank here. And once we get the water down, we'll be able to unthread this out and replace it. I'm going to have to cut the pipe either up here on the side or across the bottom, and then we'll just glue it back up. But I need to extend this. The reason it was leaking down below, you can see part of the PVC here was broken off, and this pipe is short. See how short it is? It's laying on the lip, so that the water would drip and run down the side of the pipe. So I'm going to make that longer as well once I have this cut and removed. Okay, there's our pipe. Okay, now we want to remove our valve. Now you may get a little bit of water out of here, as you can see. We are. Get something to catch the water. Put a bucket here. Put this back in. We'll get the new one ready to go. That way we can just pop it in. Alright, got our new one prepped, ready to go. Start backing this out. Grab our new one. Now you can see, here's our old one. You can see all the calcium buildup. And then inside here, now I just want to tighten this up. Alright, now we'll get ready to put our pipe back in. I'll throw some Teflon on these threads. And before we hook this back up with a coupling up here, I'm going to put a coupling here and extend this down a little bit, since our part of that PVC drain pipe there is chipped away. That way if this one ever leaks down the road, we won't have this issue again. Okay, we got some Teflon. Alright, put that nice and snug. I got 2 couplings. Get ready to finish up CPVC. Alright, I cut this up a little more, glued my coupling on, and on the other end, glued a coupling on and extended it down. So that way now, if you set this down in the drain and come over here, bring this up, and that's up in place. Now you can see we're down in the drain. If our valve ever goes bad down the road, we'll have this issue. So let me get this glued up and we'll get the water back on and turn the breaker back on and make sure everything's working good. Okay, we're all glued up. Let's get the water back on. Turn this on slowly. And you want to have a faucet open to make sure you're getting all the air out. Continue to open this slowly. Have your faucet open and have your P&T open. Make sure you get all the air out of your tank. Nothing's leaking. And once you have all the air out and you're getting just pure water, then you can turn the breaker back on and you're good to go. That's how you change a P&T valve on an electric hot water heater. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.